This digital product that no one's talking about has made at least $48,200. In this video, I'm going to talk you through what exactly this product is and how to go about making it. I'll also show you 4 other unsaturated areas that will make you stand out and which can make you unlimited passive income. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Digital Product 1. The first type of product you need to know about is digital announcements. People want to share big life events, like a wedding, a baby, or even a milestone birthday, with their loved ones in a way that feels special and personal. Sure, they could send a text, but let's be honest, that's boring. Digital announcements are the perfect solution. These are beautifully designed cards or graphics that can be sent via email or text. They're modern, stylish, and customizable. The reason why this digital product works so well is that people are willing to pay for something that makes their big moments feel unique. And the best part is that they're super easy for you to make. You can use tools like Canva to create templates in minutes. Let's say we want to make a customizable digital pregnancy announcement. Just search for pregnancy announcements in the templates library and pick a template that you like the look of. Open it up, and then you can edit the template. You can easily change the colors, fonts, and images on Canva. Add images that are baby related, which you can search for in the Elements tab. You can add placeholder text here too. For example, I can replace Bennett with insert last name. Whoever buys this template can customize the last name. To let people customize this, we'll need to share it as a template. Just click on Share, See All, and then Template Link. When people buy, this is the link that you'll share with them. Digital Product 2 next. We've got vision board kits. These are absolutely genius, especially around the new year when people are setting goals and dreaming big. A vision board kit is essentially a bundle of curated images, quotes, and words that people can use to create their own vision boards. This solves a major problem for a lot of people. They love the idea of a vision board, but don't want to spend hours hunting down the perfect images or words. Instead, you've already done the work for them. You can easily source images from stock photo sites with commercial use licenses, or even use AI to generate custom visuals. Elevate Visuals has some stunning stock photos and footage that are perfect for this. Click the link in the description to create an account, and you'll find totally unique and gorgeous photos that you can use. Once you've downloaded the photos, you can put them together on Canva and have each photo as a separate file that you can put together in a bundle for customers. To make your product stand out, your bundle can include printable journals, goal-setting prompts, or even motivational wallpapers for phones and desktops. This takes a little more effort than creating digital announcements, but it's worth it because this product has massive appeal and sells really well when it's marketed at the right time. Digital Product 3. Printable Games. These are a hidden goldmine. Printable games are downloadable activities designed for social gatherings like baby showers, bridal showers, office parties, date nights, or family nights. Think icebreakers, trivia, or scavenger hunts. People love these because they're an easy and fun way to create memorable experiences at events. Despite the demand, this niche isn't as competitive as you'd think. A lot of shops are selling these, yes, but most are not specializing in specific niches. That's the key. Pick a niche, like bridal shower games or kids' birthday party activities, and focus on creating the best options for that audience. The great thing is, you don't have to start from scratch. You can find templates on sites like Creative Fabrica and customize them to make them your own. You can also use AI tools to speed up the process and come up with ideas. For example, if you're making a quiz, you can give ChatGPT a prompt like this. Then, copy and paste the questions into one of the templates from Creative Fabrica before downloading and listing it either on its own or as part of a bundle. Digital Product 4. Next on the list, personalized learning activity pages. These are activity sheets designed for kids, usually aimed at parents, teachers, homeschoolers, or babysitters. What makes them stand out is the personalization. For example, you could create a name tracing worksheet where a child's name is featured on the page. Parents love these because they're not just educational, they're personal and engaging. You don't even have to create them up front. You can list the product, take orders, and personalize each one as they come in. Over time, you can build a bank of common names to make the process faster. Tools like Canva and Procreate make it easy to design these activity sheets, even if you're not a professional graphic designer. This requires a bit more creativity and ongoing effort to fulfill orders, but the payoff is huge because parents and educators are always looking for ways to keep kids entertained and learning. Digital Product 5. Now let's talk about Notion templates. If you haven't heard of Notion yet, it's a free app that combines note-taking, project management, and organization into one platform. People use it for everything from tracking personal goals to managing entire business businesses. Here's where you come in. Notion allows users to create and share templates. You could design templates for specific purposes, like a content calendar for social media managers, a budget tracker for families, or a daily planner for students. The beauty of this product is its simplicity. Once you've created the template, all you need to do is share the link, and users can duplicate it into their own Notion accounts. Creating these templates takes time and a bit of creativity, but it's super simple to do. Plus, Notion's popularity is only growing, so the demand for high-quality templates is likely to keep increasing. These are all products that solve real problems, are easy to create, and have proven demand. The best part is that you don't need a ton of money or experience to get started. If you're willing to put in a little time and effort, you could be on your way to building a profitable digital product business. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Which of these ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.